we are asked to evaluate these multiplication and division questions of fractions in lowest terms. And the first thing you have to do here is look to simplify where you can. And 8 and 2 have a common factor, which is 2. And 2 goes into 8 and 2 goes into itself. And so 2 goes into 8 4 times and into 2 once. So this simplifies to be 1 over 4 times 1 over 5. And then you just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it comes out to be 1 over 20. The next question, 7 over 8 times 6 over 5. Neither of these fractions can reduce, but 8 and 6 have a common factor. So for 8 and 6, we have 2 as the common factor. So 2 goes into 6 3 times and into 8 4 times. So we're dividing 8 and 6 by 2. And we just rewrite the question. So 7 over 4 times 3 over 5. Now we just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it comes out to be 21 over 20. Next question, 16 over 2 divided by 6 over 5. What we do here is, first of all, we can simplify or put in lowest terms 16 over 2, which is just 8 over 1, because 2 divides into both top and bottom. Now we rewrite this question as a multiplication question, and remember, division is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, which is flipping the second fraction. So we write this as 8 over 1 times, and then we flip 6 over 5 to be 5 over 6. Now we look for a common factor. 5 and 1 don't simplify, but 8 and 6 are both divisible by 2. So we look for, when we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. And when we divide 8 by 2, we get 4. So we rewrite this as 4 over 1. This is from up here, 4 over 1 times 5 over 3. And then we multiply the numerators and the denominators. So 4 times 5 divided, 4 times 5 is 20 over 1 times 3 is 3. And we do not, I can't emphasize this enough, when you're multiplying and dividing fractions, do not find a common denominator. Next question, 2 over 11 divided by 3 over 6. We simplify where we can and realize that 3 over 6 can reduce to 1/2. So 2 over 11 divided by 1/2. Now we can't simplify here. I know that 2's, you might want to try and simplify the 2's, but do not do that. First thing you do is rewrite it as a multiplication question. So 2 over 11, and then times, switch it to times, and take the reciprocal. So flip 1 over 2 to be 2 over 1. Now there's nowhere where we can simplify, so we just multiply the numerators and the denominators, so we get 4 over 11.